Okay, so this hairstyle gave everything that I needed it to give, right? And I'm sure you guys remember her. You can't forget her too soon. So in this video, we're going to be taking down this hair. It was good, it was nice while it lasted, but it's time to go. So protective style takedown, let's get into it. So this is me about 3 weeks later. This is what the hair is looking like. I promised I was going to give you guys like a review on the curls and the extensions and all of that, but I already went ahead to get the back sorted out. I'm trying to take this down as quickly as possible. Yeah, but this is what it's looking like. This is what the curls are looking like. They are not, you know, what's it called, human hair curls, so of course you should expect it to tangle, and this is what it was looking like at 3 weeks. But not to worry, these extensions are reusable. So let's get into the takedown process. I have been getting a couple of questions about how I have been able to grow my hair to such length in what, 1 year. But guys, literally my routine is the simplest it can ever be. Like I literally do the bare minimum and I get results. So you're gonna see in this video how basic how basic it's gonna be, but this is me taking out the crochet. It's really simple, the same way you install it. Just kind of untie the knots that you made. This is what the extensions are looking like, and like I said, it is reusable. So what you just need to do is to cut off the curls, which is the part that tangles, right? And you can always go ahead and use the twist itself. So there's a way you can cut it without actually cutting the extension, so the extension comes out clean. That's why I love these extensions, because you can reuse it. I mean, look at that, good as new. But yeah, so this is me just taking it out, and this is like the first step of the whole process, because you see, after taking out these extensions, you still need to go in again and take out the Bob Marley braids, or is it Bob Marley twist? I think I did braids. Yeah, so this is what the curls are looking like, and this is when you've taken them out. It's as good as new, and you can definitely reuse it. And yeah, just in case you are new, I am so sorry I rushed into this video, but you are welcome. You are so welcome to the channel. My name is Deborah Boms, and here we do lifestyle and natural hair content, as well as general beauty, like hair, beauty, makeup, whatever. Whatever is related to beauty, you're gonna find it here on the channel. So yeah, now that that is out of the way, you are so welcome. And this is what the hair is looking like right now. I mean, now it's now time for us to get into taking down these braids, because I did mini braids. I feel like if I did twist, it was gonna be easier. So if you want to do this hairstyle, my dear, go for twists, so that when you're taking it down, it's a lot easier and less time consuming. Okay, but currently this is just me taking this down. To be honest, this took about, I want to say, a couple of hours, but I split it in 2 days because I just couldn't sit here losing my hair all day. So I split it in 2 days, and that was it. I used a comb to get in there and kind of give me like a head start, and then I went in with my fingers. You guys know I don't like using combs on my hair as much. You can actually also tell in this video because I barely used combs. But yeah, this is what my takedown process was looking like. And at the end of the day, this is what we have. So I did a length check for Instagram. It should be up very soon, but look out for it to see where our length is, or where the hair is at right now. So next up, I went in the shower to kind of get, like, you know, all the build up out. As you guys saw, there was a lot of products build up in this hair, so I needed to get that out. So again, this is what I'm using. You guys know this shampoo is what I've been using for like the past, I want to say 2 months, 2 or 3 months thereabouts. And I love it because it helps in infusing moisture into my hair. It has shea butter, which is also really good. So yeah, once I'm done with my shampooing process, I go ahead to rinse that out. Today I'm gonna be deep conditioning my hair using this sheer moisture mask, and this one has a bit of protein in it, so I needed to add like some sort of protein to my hair. and that's why I decided to go for this one. And that is pretty much it about my wash day, guys. Nothing too deep. I barely pre-poo. I barely what else did they do in the shampoo? I don't know. Like put like a clay mask, all those things. I don't do all those things, to be honest. It's really just shampoo, conditioner, or deep conditioner, which I did in this case, and that is pretty much it. Okay, so now that we're out of the shower, this is the leave-in conditioner which I'm going to be using, guys. Get this conditioner. This is not even an ad, this is not even a promo, this is not a sponsored ad, to be honest. Just get it. It is the most moisturizing leave-in conditioner I have ever tried in my life. And I kid you not. So this is me applying it and just getting it in there, and use a generous amount, of course. And yeah, it keeps my hair moisturized for days. This is why I would recommend it. Until I find something better, this is going to be by my side all through my wash days and regular days of my natural hair. Right, so next up I'm going to be going in with some oil to seal all that moisture in. And mind you, this is like straight out of the shower, so there's still like water in my hair, then there's the leave-in conditioner, and then there is the oil from Jackie, and we just use that to like seal everything in, seal the moisture in. And guys, that's pretty much it. Like there's nothing more to see. Of course you have to see this part anyways. Basically what I'm doing here is just, you know, like creating 4 or 5 big parts, just because I wouldn't want my hair to shrink by the next day. If you're an OG, you know that I always talk about how my hair shrinks all the time, so I don't like to just leave my hair like that. So this is me putting it in like big braids, just so that we kind of get a stretched look the next day. Okay, so yeah, I would advise this step just so that if you're rushing to work the next day or whatever, it's easier for you to just comb through 5 sections that have already been detangled. As you can see, I'm detangling this. Okay, so, and I always finger detangle. I barely use combs, as you guys know, and I feel like finger detangling is the best way to go if you're trying to retain length. And retaining length, of course, is how you're gonna see the long hair that you've been wanting to see. Okay, so after finger detangling, I'm just gonna go ahead and just braid that down, and that's pretty much it. Then of course I go in with my castor oil, and I usually just like to use this on my edges, to be honest, because it's a very thick oil. I don't like to use it on my strands, so I just put it on my scalp. Okay, and that's it. This is me the next day with my hair stretched out and packed in a little cute bun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow me for more natural hair tips, beauty tutorials, and lifestyle vlogs as well. You are so welcome to the channel, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.